A father caused his own son to die, not with a sword, nor with poison, but inside a narrow wooden chest, slowly and alone. In the Joseon dynasty, there was a king and his son, King Yongjo and Crown Prince Sado. Their relationship was not doomed from the beginning. As a child, Sado was bright and intelligent, a prince who carried all of his father's expectations. But King Yongjo was an extremely strict man. He had disciplined himself relentlessly to rise to the throne, and he demanded the same perfection from his son. Even the smallest mistake was not tolerated. Every flaw was met with harsh scolding and anger. As time passed, Sado's mind slowly began to crumble. He grew anxious and lived in constant fear. He started avoiding people, and his emotions became harder to control. Records say he showed erratic behavior and at times even harmed those around him. But was he truly insane, or was he a man broken under endless pressure? That question remains unanswered to this day. Then one day, everything reached its limit. Sado's behavior could no longer be contained, and the king was forced to make a decision. Should he save his son or protect the kingdom as a king? The choice he made was unbearably cruel. Yongjo gave the order: lock the crown prince in a rice chest. The chest was meant for storing grain, too small for a person, too suffocating to survive in. Sado was forced inside. At first, he cried out to be saved. Then, he begged for water. And in the end, he could no longer speak at all. For 8 days, in the darkness no one would open, the crown prince of Joseon slowly faded away, by his father's command. And after that, King Yongjo carried that choice for the rest of his life. As a king, it may have been the right decision, but as a man, he was a father who lost his son. This tragedy is not just a story of power. It is the story of a son forced to be perfect and a father who believed he had to demand it. And in the end, neither of them was saved.
Curious about Korean history? If you have questions about Korea, please like, comment, and subscribe!